Hi there, I'm Yvonne de Celis, and I'm just here to go over 2 meridian tracings as promised. I'm going to show you how to trace your spleen meridian and the heart meridian. And as I showed once before, I want to just show this one more time. This is from Donna Eden's Energy Medicine book, and I am just trying really hard not to destroy the book right here. But I just wanted to show you this really quickly because I'm not going to be able to come all the way down to start you off here. I'm going to be doing this one. As you can see right down here, this starts off on your toe and it comes all the way up to the middle of the leg and up the side of the body. So just please bear this image in mind when I say start off at your toe, because I know I'm not going to be able to bring the camera down that far. So okay, once again, to start off with the spleen meridian, when I say start at your toe, pretend this is my big toe. I mean, literally put your hand there and just bring it up and trace all the way up the center of your leg. So I'm going to stand for this, but you do not have to stand. You can do this sitting down or lying on the floor. But you would start off at your big toe. So I'm going to bend. I'm starting at the big toe. And I am tracing and I'm going up the center of my leg. And I'm going up and up and up. And when you get to your pecs, you're going to come up around to the side. And you're going to trace up a little bit into the arm and then down and off the rib cage. So that is the spleen meridian. That is the third meridian trace. It follows the governing. So again, it's up, 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 up the arm and down and off the rib cage. The one that follows that is the heart meridian, and that starts right here. And you just trace up your arm all the way to your pinky finger, which you can grab and then go off of. Then you go to the other side, bottom of the arm, all the way down and off the little finger. So once again, spleen meridian, start at the toe, go up at the very front in the center of the legs, up, all the way up to your pecs, then off to the side, up the arms, and then off the rib cage, and then heart is start under your arm and just trace it all the way to the pinky finger. Hold on to your pinky and go off of that. Other side, all the way down and off the pinky finger. And those were your spleen meridian and the heart meridian. The next meridian that I will be tracing tomorrow will be the small intestine, but I'll just show you that one really quickly. It's very quick and it works well with the heart meridian. Remember, as I said, you go up and off the pinky finger. Well, the next one starts with the pinky finger. One thing you'll notice with the meridians, they go up and down. Think of it as yin and yang. So heart, do small intestine, which starts at the pinky finger, and you do the trace all the way the back of the arm. And when you get all the way down over here, what you want to do is go down a little bit on the scapula and then back up and then into the cheek and out through the ear. So I'm going to do the other side now. So I'm going to start over again, starting at the small finger, all the way the back of the arm, all the way up. And when you get to the scapula, you just dip down into the scapula a little bit, and then you come back up into the cheek and then out through the ear. So I did 3 meridians today, and I'll probably start off with the small meridian intestine on the next one, but the 2 that I did today, once again, the focus was on the spleen meridian and the heart meridian, but I left off showing you how to do the small intestine since it works well, because one of the things you will notice about these tracings is they all kind of connect. So I just did a quick heart meridian trace, now I'm just doing the spleen and out the ear. Tomorrow, what I will do is I'll probably start off briefly with the small intestine meridian, but I will follow it up with the bladder meridian. That one's a little bit harder to show, but that one covers a lot of different areas. So I will be back in a few more days with more meridian tracings. As always, namaste, peace and light. Thank you for coming to visit me. Please leave a comment down below, thumbs up, thumbs down, any sort of interactivity you want, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to find out more. If you subscribe, it's free to do, and it just means that YouTube will send you occasional notifications when I make changes to my channel. As always, peace and light, namaste, and I will be back in a few days with more videos for you. Thank you so much for your visit. Take care of yourself, be well, and bye-bye.